what do you want me to say about Proventus? Proventus is my baby. Okay.
Nice.
Started in 2013, 2012 actually, 2012. So what, we've completed 13 years now? Yes, 13 years we've completed. We started as a study abroad company, but then we realized all these kids are constantly confused with their lives. They have no clue in what direction they're going. So we said, okay, okay, let's do the whole counseling also. So Priyanka, still part of my team from Ireland, decided let's have the testing. So we started the testing, the psychometric testing, the DMIT testing, which helps us understand what direction different kids to go. I'm still confused all the time. So the testing started, and it has been a great journey. Great team members, I've had great interactions, schools, parents. I think each day is amazing, each day is different. And that's how Proventus continues to grow. And we started this whole initiative of having interns on board with us earlier this year. So it was a 2025 initiative we started, with Rajat being our very first intern in Jan. Yay! So we get Rajat to talk about himself, and then 3 months later we had Atharva join the team, right? So that's been they finished the internship, but they're still part of the family. We've got them to come back today because we said, okay, we need to get our social media buzzing. How do we do that? Get these young kids to come and talk about themselves.
Which we weren't informed of.
It was a shock to us.
But that is what it is. I want to see how much, the 6 months or the 3 months that you'll have spent away, how much, it has made you proactive, prepared to face, what should I say, surprise moments or shock moments, right? तो कितना मैं प्रिपेयर कर पाई आप लोग को वो देखना था, वो चेक करना था. So I think the fact that you're sitting over here absolutely unprepared is a good job done. So I have been told clear instructions by my new batch of interns who are actually filming this entire thing from different angles. I have to clarify that this is not an interview that we are doing.
Yeah.
This is just coming together of the ones who have gone and the new ones who've come in. So if you're expecting it's going to be like really serious and stuff, no, it's going to be a lot of nonsense that we're going to be talking over here. Of course, with some information about what great jobs they have done. So we'll have that, but we're going to make it all fun. Is that sufficient?
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. Come on, Rajat. So let's. मेरा introduction हो गया. अब आप दो आपका introduction.
My name is Rajat, and I'm one of the app development intern in Proventus Education.
I am Atharva. I was a 3-month app developer intern in Proventus here.
Okay. So basically. Okay. Coffee चाहिए. बहुत stress हो रहा है. And the other fucking show he's got a stress more. Because he's so stressed about the fact that he's doing first interview. No. Interview, but like a first interaction, this thing. There comes the coffee. Thank you, Gauri.
Camera shy.
हाँ?
Camera shy.
Camera shy. तो camera shy तो मैं भी हूँ ना. मेरा coffee.
इसीलिए अभी तक इंस्टा का
नहीं इसमें नहीं इसमें हाँ thanks. नहीं, but then I think your first, I don't know, the session that you did with me in college was the first one, right? So just to let you guys know what that was all about, I had a workshop in Atharva's college a couple of weeks back.
Yes.
Yeah, so earlier this month. We are in August, yeah, so earlier this month, no, August in July, we're in July. Yeah, so
July 2020.
हाँ. नहीं क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई?
So अच्छे से
नहीं, so we had this thing where I did a workshop with the first year and the second year CS students and the IT students about how to write resumes, how to crack interviews. And we also talked about internships because post that we were doing our second round of interviews with the students where these two boys came from. And Atharva was part of the session where he talked about his experience at Proventus. So you know how to talk about experience at Proventus.
Yes.
तो वो हम खाली वो copy repeat करना है यहाँ पे.
वो वीडियो नहीं निकाला
वो
था।
वाला दिखा नहीं।
ठीक है, thank you. Okay, come join us. Yeah, come join us. So that's Gauri, backbone of Proventus. I mean, the actual backbone of Proventus, Resha, is sitting in Nagpur. We don't have her. We have to get her. So I think so. Resha is like the main spinal cord, and you're the other body part of it. शुरू करें?
Yes.
तो क्या पूछना है? इंट्रोडक्शन तो हो गया अपना, ठीक है? I don't know if I should be asking you all what motivated you to apply because it's part of the whole curriculum, right? कि करना ही है, option नहीं है, ठीक है? तो option नहीं था, करना था, okay? So I think with you it was a Zoom call that we had,
Yes,
right, for the interview.
Yes.
And then Atharva, I met you in the college.
College.
We had the interview in the college, right? So tell me, join किया, तो join किया तो मतलब क्या, you know, what were you thinking in your head कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा?
पहले तो I thought कि बहुत ऐसे serious environment रहेगा,
बहुत।
कि बहुत काम रहेगा, everything is very professional ऐसे सब।
So that's the kind of vibe I was giving, right? कि बहुत
ऐसा expectations के साथ हम आए थे
अच्छे expectations के साथ
कि professional रहेगा बहुत, ऐसे बहुत काम रहेगा, सब रहेगा।
ऐसे बोलोगे तो ऐसे लगेगा कि हमारी कंपनी ऐसे बोलना
इधर आके वो like थोड़ा chill environment था, I can decide my own work and कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, बहुत freedom था work को लेके।
So was that a good thing or a bad thing?
Good thing, वरना too micromanaging नहीं चाहिए रहता है।
Okay.
हाँ, अगर कोई माइक्रो मैनेज करे कि ये करो, ऐसा करो, ये टाइम पे करो, then it gets annoying.
Okay.
But like you gave us freedom कि आपको जैसे करना है वैसे करो, but काम हो जाना चाहिए. So that is nice.
मेरा तो फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप था इधर।
हाँ.
मुझे लगा कि एकदम सीरियस ऐसा प्रॉपर कॉर्पोरेट रहेगा कि जो काम दिएगा वो करने का, फिर टाइम के बाद निकल जाने का या फिर ओवर टाइम रहेगा। बट यू अपने फिर क्या पेस पे काम करते हैं सब, लाइक चिल एकदम। मैम भी बहुत अच्छी है।
Thank you. I did not tell them that they have to say it. Okay, that is an absolutely wrong thing.
बटर
अच्छा बटर ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मैं जाने दूंगी आपको, ऑफिस पे आने दूंगी and I'll give you all the certificates you need. But you know वो क्या बोलते हैं कोर्ट में, I will not गीता पे हाथ रख के जो कहूँगा सच कहूँगा, तो वही बोलना है, सच ही बोलना है अपने को यहाँ पे। So it wasn't a very I mean that I think that's the whole thing I said right at the beginning, that मैं micromanage नहीं करने वाला ना। Yes, the whole thing was not to micromanage. The whole thing about having interns at Proventus is more about you learning. Of course, me learning, because I think I learned what is Flutter. I learned what is Firebase. I learned what is PHP. I didn't know any of these. Canva. I know, so I didn't know any of. So I think I also learned so much from you all. Okay, the learning is still on. I think, right, Gauri, the learning is still on. Gauri is going to learn how to create all the email IDs in the app for the students, right? So yeah, so I think it was a two-way street where I also learned a lot from you guys, and I think that's going to continue because, like you said, आप लोग कहीं नहीं जा रहे हो, और एक बार Proventus में आ गए तो यहाँ पे लाइफ लॉन्ग हो। Okay, so were there any expectations that you all had when you all came to Proventus? मतलब एक तो था कि हाँ internship complete करके अपने को वो certificate चाहिए ताकि you graduate, because we didn't get that, you wouldn't have graduated, right? But was there any other expectations that you had when you joined the company?
वैसे expectations नहीं थे, more like skills सीखने को मिलेंगे, and I did learn वैसे skills. तो वैसे expectations थे.
So what skills did you pick up?
Professional skills में if you say that we have like Flutter, Firebase, पूरा app development खुद से सीख के हमने start करा है.
Scratch से पूरा.
Scratch, exactly, yes.
But more than that, people skills बहुत ज़्यादा सीखा मैंने यहाँ पे. Like how to communicate and then फिर in general how to respect people, like
yes, you want to talk about people, you want to talk about that.
कोई मैसेज कर रहा है तो उसका रिप्लाई कर देना, कोई कॉल कर रहा है तो उसको वापस कॉल कर देना, वैसे सब.
How to write emails.
हाँ, वो बहुत important है, right? So I think the whole experience, I'm going to give the back story to this. Right. So Rajat used to help me with the sessions I have. So Father Agnel College, FCRIT, Proventus is the official counselor for it. So we are there, on the campus every week because we have an office there. And Rajat was the one who was coordinating with the faculty, the principal, the students. He was doing all that. And when he had to coordinate with the students, he used to try and reach them. He would call them, he would text them. They would either not see his messages, or if they saw it, they would leave him unseen. So I remember Rajat telling me, Rajat, what did you say?
That I used to do the same मेरे college में, and now I feel like हाँ ये कितना annoying thing है कि people don't respond to me, या call नहीं उठाते, या फिर बहुत बार late text करेंगे ये सब.
Yeah. So I think that was one of the biggest learnings for you, right? कि basic etiquette है, अगर कोई आपको message करता है, at least a thumbs up or something. Just as you think, हाँ मैंने message देखा है, and I kind of acknowledge that. So that was your one learning. I think that was one of the questions I was supposed to ask you. What is your aha moment? और देखो आपके कैसे कुछ मतलब बहुत ऐसे कुछ learning था जो कि यार ये तो मुझे करना ही चाहिए लाइफ में.
ऐसा नहीं था.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
मतलब मैं इधर एक्सपेक्टेशन से आया था कि सीखने तो मिलेगा जो लाइक प्रॉपर कंपनी वर्क कैसा रहता है, फ्लो क्या रहता है कंपनी में.
हाँ जी.
बट इतना स्ट्रिक्ट तो लगा नहीं मुझे, लेकिन अच्छा था, सीखने बहुत मिलता है इंटर्नशिप में देखा जाए तो.
कॉफी कैसे बनानी
बनाया नहीं.
कॉफी सत्ता बनाएगा फिर.
अभी तक नहीं बनाया.
खाने सीखा बनाने सीखा
तो बनवा रहे रोज. एक दिन गौरी बनाएगी, एक दिन अभिनव सार्थक, जो एक दिन सार्थक बनाएगा, एक दिन विष्णु बनाएगा, ऐसे होगा. So every day one person takes a turn. But I think
सीख लो.
हाँ, I think one thing that okay, we'll take a break. Okay. ठीक है, शुरू करें?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, and we are back from the break. So we actually took a break where I finished my coffee. उन लोग का नहीं हो अभी तक. ठीक है, so I'm done with my coffee.
हम technical काम कर रहे थे.
ठीक है. So I don't even remember where we stopped, but let's just pick up the thread.
क्या क्या सीखा
हाँ पूछो क्या क्या सीखा.
क्या सीखा?
गौरी ने क्या
Coffee
सिखाया?
कॉफी बनाना सीखा
और DSRs कैसे लिखने का, डेली रिपोर्ट्स कैसे लिखने का.
that helps because अभी मेरे ऑफिस में हर दिन का टाइम शीट देना रहता है. We have an app जिसमें हर दिन मेंशन करना रहता है क्या क्या करा है. अब मुझे आदत है, वरना पहले तो मैं भूल जाता था हमेशा.
So now so that you have to thank Resha for that.
Yes.
We need Resha for that because Resha really insisted that you'll do that thing, right?
Yes.
So I think that was this thing. There's something else that I don't know if you're still doing that. I mean, you're still not interning. You've gone back to college.
Yes.
You have started working now. But there was a habit which I had made you'll do when you'll join me in the first day, and I made both of them.
Yeah.
And I said, this is a habit. When you start working, you have to ensure that you have that.
To write everything diary में.
The diary.
वहाँ पे
Yeah.
तो
Still have that diary.
You still have the diary?
हाँ same.
Yeah.
लेके चले
उनकी memories है वो. मतलब Anita used to come in and she would say 10 things and she would go away. फटाफट वो सारा note कर लो ताकि भूल जाए. Because after 1 week I will remember मैंने रजत को ये बोला था, मैंने अथर्व को बोला, उसका क्या हुआ, right? So that's one thing. Are you doing that?
Yeah. डायरी तो उसमें हर दिन मैं पढ़ने के लिए भी वही यूज कर रहा हूँ, and then जो कोई टास्क देता है उसमें
You
लिख
make
के
that
रखता हूँ.
mistake.
अभी कॉलेज में इवेंट्स के लिए भी वही यूज कर रहा हूँ.
Oh, you're doing that? See, boys, they're doing that. They use it. He's using it for the events and he's using it at work. So that diary writing is fantastic. Okay. So we've talked about the days, right? So we said, okay, a typical day was not where there was any micromanaging happening or stuff like that. I'm probably going to be jumping questions. I will come back to them because Sarthak and Vishu have given me a nice list of questions that I'm supposed to ask you all. Okay. But because we don't want to do it like an interview, right? So, I'll circle around and come to any questions that if they tell me, ma'am, ye nahi pucha hai, to I'll ask that. But let's talk about the app because that's one thing I am extremely, extremely proud of. और anybody who will listen to me, I will tell him, अरे मेरे boys ने, you know, मेरा Proventus का app बनाया. So let's talk about that app. Okay? Should we talk about that? Okay. So let's talk about the app. Okay, because that's something I'm really, really proud of. Okay. And like I said, it is your baby. So like Proventus is my baby. The Proventus app is your baby. And that is the reason why forever and ever you're tied to us. मतलब कहीं नहीं जा सकते आप लोग because of the app. Okay, so let's talk about the app because even when we had a session in the college, remember we spoke. I said, you know, I'm really so proud that they have made this app because you had no clue on how it needs to be done, right? Yeah. So let's talk about that. Okay.
So ma'am, I have a question.
Okay.
अरे हाथ
ऊपर करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
So I would like to ask, what inspired you to make the app? Or who inspired you?
Anita.
Okay, so I inspired, but I will answer this question. Okay, what inspired me? Okay, it's not an inspiration. Okay, it was not like one day I got up and said, "Arey, app banana hai." ऐसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. Okay, so yes, Rajat came from the CS background, right? So, but when I hired him, you know, I did say that okay, you know, we don't have much of tech that happens in the office because we use, you know, basic technology in the office. And the whole thing was for you to help me with Agnes and stuff because as a Gen Z, it is easier for you to connect with a Gen Z, right? So that is what my expectation was. But then I felt somewhere that I was not utilizing your skills. And then when Atharva came on board, because another CS student, I was like, मेरे पास दो CS के बच्चे हैं. The whole thing of them is over here is for them, barring all your communication skills. I think you must learn something from here that connects to your education. And that's why when we were doing all this, you know, thinking कि क्या करना चाहिए. So we worked a little bit on the website. I think
We started with the
with
CRM.
with the CRM. हमने थोड़ा सा वो किया. फिर हमने I think reels वगैरह बनाए. But it was still like actual core tech जो है वो नहीं हो रहा है. And that's why ठीक है चलो app बनाते हैं. Okay, so they had no clue that they were going to be pushed into that. I had no clue that I was pushing them into it. But I said, okay, you know what? Everybody has an app, and app is like the most easiest way for everybody now, right? Because you don't really want to sit with a laptop all the time. You want to have something on the phone, on the go. You can just kind of work. So what happens is when you have the app, I think that was the whole idea behind it, was that not only does it become easy for us to track all the documents, correct, Gauri? Because what happens is because, you know, when the team in the backend is working on the applications, you know, whether it is Gauri or Resha or, you know, Ashwini or whoever it is who's working in the background. Okay, so let's talk about the app, okay, because that's something I'm really, really proud of, okay? And like I said, it is your baby. So like Proventus is my baby, the Proventus app is your baby. And that is the reason why forever and ever you're tied to us. The documents are all over the place, right? Because we're using the drive, we're using emails, mail trails, you know, they get kind of all confused. So having the app and having all the documents there which anybody can download from anywhere, anyone can look at it from anywhere at any given point of time, I think that was my idea behind it. And then also then when we created the app, we said, हम app सबके लिए नहीं create करेंगे. It's not going to be like an open app that anybody can access. It's going to be an app specifically for our students. So that was what we looked at. But I think the inspiration was purely to use your skills than anything else. That's where we started.